Good morning, YouTube and Facebook. Here we are on February the 18th, reinstalling carpet in a hallway in a condominium building. So first of all, the underlay will be installed, and then we'll get the carpet stretched and reseamed back together. Show you more shortly. Okay, a few minutes later, and now step one has been completed with new underlay to reinstall the carpet. Now it'll be reinstall the carpet. Okay, so here we are at the completion of the reinstall. The underlay is completed. The seam is repaired in this location. And the carpet is reinstalled up here as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Come back and see us soon.